Accounting concepts and principles. A. GAAP stands for A. Generally accepted accounting provisions. B. General account arrangement practice. C. Generally accepted accounting principles. D. General assessment and procedures. Answer. C. Generally accepted accounting principles. Though, which principle states that a business and its owner are treated as separate entities? A. Monetary unit assumption. B. Business entity concept. C. Periodicity assumption. D. Going concern concept. Answer. B. Business entity concept. 3. The principle that requires expenses to be recorded in the same period as the revenues they helped generate as they. A. Revenue recognition principle. B. Matching principle. C. Consistency principle. D. Conservatism principle. Answer. B. Matching principle. 4. The principle of conservatism or prudence requires that A. Assets are always overstated. B. Revenues are always understated. C. Potential losses are accounted for, but potential gains are ignored. D. All of the above. Answer. C. Potential losses are accounted for, but potential gains are ignored. 5. The basic accounting equation is A. Assets equals liabilities जोड़ capital. B. Liabilities equals assets जोड़ capital. C. Assets equals capital liabilities. D. Capital equals liabilities assets. Answer. A. Assets equals liabilities जोड़ capital. 6. Which financial statement displays a company's revenues and expenses? A. Balance sheet. B. Cash flow statement. C. Income statement. D. Statement of retained earnings. Answer. C. Income statement. 7. Which financial statement shows the company's financial position at a specific point in time? A. Income statement. B. Statement of cash flows. C. Balance sheet. D. Statement of retained earnings. Answer. C. Balance sheet. 8. If a company's liabilities are $20,000 and its owner's equity is $50,000, its total assets are A. $30,000. B. $50,000. C. $70,000. D. $1,00,000. Answer. C. $70,000. $20,000 plus $50,000 equals $70,000. No. A resource with future economic benefit that is owned by the business as A. Liability. B. Asset. C. Expense. D. Revenue. Answer. B. Asset. Thus, debts or obligations that a business owes to others are called A. Assets. B. Equity. C. Liabilities. D. Expenses. Answer. C. Liabilities. 11. Money or goods withdrawn by the owner for personal use is known as A. Depreciation. B. Drawings. C. Capital. D. Expenses. Answer B. Drawings. 12. Long-term assets that have no physical existence, such as patents and copyrights, are called A. Tangible assets. B. Current assets. C. Fixed liabilities. D. Intangible assets. Answer D. Intangible assets. 13. The first step in the accounting process is A. Recording transactions. B. Identifying transactions. C. Posting to the ledger. D. Preparing a trial balance. Answer B. Identifying transactions. 14. The process of recording transactions in a journal is called A. Posting. B. Journalizing. C. Balancing. D. Casting. Answer B. Journalizing. 15. Under the double entry system, for every debit there is a corresponding A. Account. B. Credit. C. Income. D. Liability. Answer B. Credit. 16. Which type of account is used to record expenses, revenues, gains and losses? A. Real account. B. Personal account. C. Nominal account. D. All of the above. Answer C. Nominal account. 17. What is the document that provides supporting evidence for a business transaction? A. Ledger. B. Journal. C. Voucher. D. Balance sheet. Answer C. Voucher.